Hey friends, Renee Fuentes here with Thai Caliente and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a popular recipe for brunch in Mexico, and we're going to be making chilaquiles, specifically chilaquiles rojos, which means red. So the base of chilaquiles is going to be fried tortilla chips, but we're going to make them a little bit healthier and bake them instead of fry them. And then the sauce is going to consist of similar of an enchilada sauce with some dried guajillo chilies, some Roma tomatoes, onion, and garlic. So it's a pretty simple recipe, definitely one that you want to save for a weekend, for brunch time, and serve it with either some scrambled eggs or a fried egg on top, and some refried beans would be a complete meal. So let's get started on the recipe for chilaquiles. So I have 6 corn tortillas. So I've just made 2 stacks, and then I'm just going to go ahead and cut triangles. And typically these corn tortillas are fried instead of baked, but like I said, we're going to try and make them a little bit healthier. Okay, so while the tortillas are cooking, I just have some Roma tomatoes that I took off the tops. 4 of them, I'm just going to place them into a pot of water. A quarter of a white onion. Normally I use 2 garlic cloves, but this one's really big, so we're just using 1. And then the dried guajillo peppers, where I took out the seeds. 2 of those, I just kind of broke apart. And then we're just going to bring that to a boil and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Okay, and I just wanted to show you guys that I just have this on a very, gentle simmer. So it's not like a roaring boil, just a nice gentle simmer just until the guajillo peppers start to soften. Okay, so now we're ready to build the chilaquiles. So I took the tortilla chips out of the oven. You really want this like kind of crispy golden color to it. And I'm just going to turn our saucepan to medium heat and add a little bit of oil. And then these chips are about 2 servings. So I'm only going to use half of the chilaquile sauce, so about 6 ounces. Okay, that's about half. And then I'm just going to let this come up to temperature. Get a spoon. And then I will go ahead, once this gets to a soft boil, then I'll go ahead and add my tortilla chips. Okay, so the sauce has already come up to a light boil. So I'm just going to add the tortilla chips in there. It looks like a lot, but they will kind of soften with the sauce. And I forgot to mention also, taste the sauce too to see if it needs more salt. And then we're just going to stir this just till all the tortilla chips get nice and coated. And then I'm actually also going to put the lid on just for a minute, just to get everything kind of going in here. Going to lower the heat and just put that on there just for a minute for the tortillas to soften. Okay, so it's been just about a minute, and you can see that the tortillas have softened and everything's kind of coated. You don't want them to get too soft because then they'll get soggy, but this texture right here is perfect. So you can sprinkle some cotija cheese on here, or some cilantro, some chopped white onion, and then serve it with a crispy egg and some refried beans for a complete meal. All right, you guys, so I just put some cilantro and crumbly cheese on the chilaquiles, and I highly recommend topping it with a fried egg or some refried beans for a full meal. But they're just as good on their own, just kind of a nice, cozy, carby meal for the weekend, brunch, or even for dinner. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification so you can get updates on new videos, and come back next time for a brand new video. So guys, I hope you have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.